Hello and welcome to the Ozarks Mountain Home Tour. I'm Tanya with Free Range Cottage. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. I just had to share this great custom home that we got a chance to tour a few days ago, and it's got so many great design ideas and details. I wanted to share them with you so you can get ideas for your own home or just enjoy the tour either way. This house is not too far from town, but it feels like it's out in the country. They're on a nice amount of acreage, and you can see there that is the cows next door, but still lots of room and space and lots of beautiful grass there. And the views are just beautiful from everywhere. This was a parade of homes tour, so you will see quite a few people went through the house, but it could definitely accommodate them. This house is all on one level, which I love. It's definitely made for entertaining, and the builder told me that it took about 3 years and it was a labor of love. This is so cute, this little flame that you can see from either side. It's double-sided. I bet that would be really neat at night coming for dinner or something, and this flame just guides you up to the porch. How fun is that? And a generous front porch, which is definitely a favorite of mine. And there you can see a little peek of that gorgeous view. And this door I really highlighted because it's so unique and just a stunning first impression. It's a very large door as well. And you can see the unique way that it opens and swings. And right when you walk in, there's a foyer, and to the right is this large, light-filled dining room. Plenty of room for family dinners and holidays. This is from the other side. I walked through, and you can see there's an entire wall of windows there that look onto the front porch and the beautiful front view. And there are some great built-ins that I wanted to get here. These would be great to set out a buffet or just have your drink station there. What a nice setup that would be. You really don't need any other furniture in there. Then this is the living room. When you keep going from the foyer into the great room, and the kitchen is in the back there. And to the left are some of your bedrooms. But you can see all the gorgeous stone and timber details in the house. Very high ceilings. A beautiful ceiling treatment here in the foyer, and you're going to see another one coming up in the primary bathroom. And I like the simplicity of the house. It's a very elaborate house in some ways, but well thought out, and feels very simple living and easy to have a nice flow through the house. Again, more timber details there. This is a little area off the kitchen, sort of a little, maybe a little drink station as well. And I love how they put the water tap above the water filter. That was a great detail. This is the pantry opposite that, and this is just a dream pantry. I think you're gonna love it. When you walk in, there's an extra refrigerator, freezer, and then there's an extra freezer on the other side. Lots of open shelving, lots of closed cabinets. You could have extra appliances in here, lots of room. And this little door right here, tell me if you have ever seen one of these. It goes into the garage, so you pull in with your groceries and they go straight into the pantry. I'm obsessed. It's only steps away to the kitchen here, and with the beautiful hood detail, gorgeous oak cabinets. I love those lighter oak cabinets. Everything is soft close. And this isn't a model home. This was a custom home, and I believe they're already moving in. And there are your cast iron pans, just the essentials right there. And another water tap there, a pot filler. Everything's convenient, easy to live with, lots of storage. cabinets go way up for those pieces that you don't use often, but you still want them stored away. And you can see the pantries just right there around the corner. So very easy to grab what you need. Big refrigerator freezer unit here. And another favorite feature in this house is this coffee station. And there's a water tap there, a pot filler there as well, so you can fill up your water on your coffee machines. You can close it off, so if you're having company or just don't want to see, you know, the coffee clutter, sometimes it can be cluttery, everything's right there, but you can close it off and don't have to look at it if you don't want to. And because there is your living room and entertaining space right there. Huge island, seats all kinds of people. Waterfall edge on the countertops. I'm not sure what kind of countertop this was. I don't know if it's a, you know, I should have asked about that. Tell me in the comments what you think that countertop is. It's a solid surface countertop of some kind. These windows here with the view are fantastic. You've got your farmhouse sink here, your apron front sink, facing into the living room, but also another one, because why not, over here by your windows, that open accordion style out to your outdoor space. Now off of the kitchen is also a mudroom area, which is fantastic. It's large and roomy. You can walk in this way and get ready to gasp. This is the laundry room of all of our dreams, I think. There's a little desk area here. This could also be, you could set up a sewing machine here. You could set up art projects. There's your washer and dryer. There's another apron front sink, nice and big. And look at the view that you get while you're doing laundry or your favorite hobby. This would be a great place to wrap gifts. This would be a great place to do any kind of hobbies, repot house plants. It's just stunning, and it's one of my favorite rooms in the house. You've got an island in here to work on. I'm obsessed with this laundry hobby space. It's just gorgeous. The flooring in here is, the tile is a vintage look tile. Just all the details. A nice little storage closet. And then I call it an ironing cabinet, because this is where I would keep my ironing board and my iron. And so it's tucked away and I don't have to see it all the time, but it's there if you need it. Or you could also keep cleaning supplies in there. It's fantastic. There's that tile. These doors look vintage to me. I don't know if they are. They're probably new, but they do have that vintage feel. And they did put a lot of warmth in a new space with the stone and the timber beams and the wood accents. The black framed windows are gorgeous. This would be a great spot for some of my bigger house plants. I would love that, indoor plants. And you can come in this way, and the garage is right here. And you can put shoes and coat right there. And I love that. I believe the owners have brought some of their vintage pieces in. So pretty. Love the lighting. It's very simple. This is definitely modern cottage feel to me. Tell me in the comments what it feels like to you. What style do you think this is? It's definitely a mountain home with all the stone. And there's a very modern, it looks like a gas burning fireplace. But there is also a wood burner, so I'm going to show you that in just a second. There's room for a piano and a cute little cabinet for books. And out these sliding doors is your outdoor space. Again, an amazing spot for entertaining. Right off the living room. There's your wood burning stove. There's a TV out here. So I would imagine you could get a lot of use out of this back patio. The view is just stunning. And just to say, there's room back here for a pool. I don't know if they have plans on that, but it would be a great spot, and I'd love to see it if they put a pool in. You could easily fit 20 or 30 people out here. A nice island seating area. And there's those windows that will open accordion style, and there's a little bit of a shelf ledge there where you can pass food out. You could set up the buffet right there if the weather was right. Heaters up on the ceiling over the table, so you can have both sides. You got the fireplace going on one side, the heaters on the other. You could use this probably pretty much all winter in our climate. And all of your storage out here for all of your grill use. And the stone floor out here is gorgeous. Everything you could need out here to grill and do your outdoor cooking. Super fun. There's another storage closet out here, and peeking around to see that view again. It just goes on and on. And I love that it's a covered space, so in a rain, when it's raining, you could still be sitting out here enjoying the view, enjoying the rain. And there's just another view of how big that patio is, and it's ready for a party. Is what it looks like to me. What do you think? Could you enjoy spending some time here? What kind of party would you throw? And now we're on to the bedrooms. And there were, I believe only one of the guest bedrooms had a bathroom attached to it. And the other, I think there were 3 guest bedrooms besides that shared a really nice bathroom. But all of them were beautifully done, simply but beautifully furnished. And I loved that the closets were built, they're not deep, they're not super deep walk-in closets, but they're all outfitted out so that everything will fit beautifully. The bathrooms are done again with the wood and white and all the just great materials. Not a lot of decor because all your materials are high-end and gorgeous. And that is not the master. Even though it is a beautiful room, the master is coming now. You've got a great wood accent wall opposite a stone wall, and that is your view when you wake up in the morning. So I think that would be pretty hard to beat. It's not a massively huge room, but to me it's the perfect size because you'll see what else is in this room with the suite. It's got the primary bathroom as well and the closets. This door here has a private little porch, so you've got some outdoor space on your primary bedroom, which I think is fantastic. That would be perfect for coffee in the morning. And this is into your primary bathroom, which is quite large. There's nothing missing in here. And these doors going in were just really a statement and very stunning and mimicked the ceiling treatment. And this is the other gorgeous ceiling treatment with the timber wood, and you can see the marble that just goes all the way up. Just at very, very stunning details on this. A Roman tub, which is quite different than the freestanding tubs that are really popular right now. This one's very pretty. There's that ceiling with the marble all the way up. Who couldn't like that? And this is the view from where the toilet area is. It's private. It can close a door. And going out, there's a hallway. And I love this detail. I think it's very smart. This could have just been a hallway, but they put a dressing area. And it does go on into the living room, this hallway, but there's a door that you can close it off. So it could have just been a wasted space, but instead you go around the corner and here's the husband's closet and the wife's closet, and they are just beautifully appointed, can hold everything you need. There's big mirrors in between. So it's just a stunning house, and if you need a builder, you might want to get a hold of Brandon and Randy Schrock. They did a beautiful job. Hey, thanks for watching. For more of Free Range Cottage, be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.